Right guys, we're looking at skew boreholes today. So skew boreholes are drilled from the surface to investigate strata. So strata is like whatever substance is below, like coal or whatever. They can be used to determine the strike, dip and thickness of stratum. Skew boreholes are the same as skew lines. They do not intersect and are not parallel. So they just go in randomly at so one could just come down like this and another one could go in like this. So they're not just perfectly parallel to each other, drill down, they're just randomly go in at whatever angle. Skew borehole takes a sample of the material. By locating the top head wall and bottom foot wall, the boreholes can reveal depth, inclination and thickness of stratum. So the skew boreholes at A hits the top of the stratum AH, so H stands for head wall. The skew boreholes at A hits the bottom of the stratum AF, F meaning foot wall. So the skew hole at B hits the top of the stratum, skew borehole at B hits the bottom of the stratum, so they both go through the stratum. 2 points on the top of the stratum AH and BH can be joined to locate a line on the head wall. So that's what you'll be doing in your question. So they'll be joined for a line on the head wall, and 2 points at the bottom can be joined. So that's a line across the foot wall. These lines can be, well, so you can see in there in the 3D drawing. So these lines can be used to locate the strike, dip and thickness by using the principles of lines and planes. So locate the head wall and foot wall in the plan. So if you bring these points down, so imagine this is a big drill bit. These are 2 big drill bits drilling down, and these are the points where it hits the head wall and foot wall. So those points are brought down, and that'll give you the head wall and foot wall points in plan. So the strike must be located. The strike is a through length on the surface of the stratum. So similar to what we've done before, convert the line AHBH into a plane. One edge must be horizontal, the other must be parallel to AFBF. So a horizontal line from BH there, and then you draw another line parallel to AFBF from that point. That gives you point P. Locate P in plan and draw the plane. So 2 lines like that in plan. So what they've done in plan here is, because AF and BF, we know this is a horizontal line, so we go parallel to that down here. So it gives you point P, and you're joining BH to point P. So the horizontal line will be a through length in plan. We're looking perpendicular to it. And that gives you the strike. So there's a little bit messing about in that, guys. It looks a little bit complicated, but basically what to do to start is draw your horizontal line, then draw a line parallel to this line on your foot wall from that point to cross over it. So then you come straight down, draw another line parallel to AFBH to your foot wall line coming from AH. Alright? So because this line is parallel to the foot wall line up here, it has to be parallel to the foot wall line down below. So that gives you your strike. Looking along this through length will enable us to see top and bottom of the stratum as parallel. We will see an edge view of the stratum. The dip and thickness can be identified. So this is similar to what we've done already. Bring your lines, your head wall lines out first. Then take the distance that the head wall is from the XY line in your elevation and mark it off with your compass. There's AH. Now find the distance to BH. Follow out the line, mark it off with your compass. And then you're going to do the same for the foot wall. So bring up BF, take the distance, mark it off, and AF, take the distance and mark it off. Introduce an auxiliary looking along the strike. Locate the header and footer of the stratum. Extend these, locate the dip and thickness. Sorry, so that give you your dip and thickness. So there's your dip, which is this angle here, and your thickness. So just give that one a go, guys. You see I done it here on the page. Just hold it so you can see it. So what I've done is exactly the same as what you've just seen. So if you can follow that carefully, you should have no problems. Alright.